back to my channel. Arash here, and in this video I will show you how to wrap the windshield for the car. You know, the car like the convertible or spider they have in the separate frame, and I saw it many people are doing in this area, 3 pieces, one at the center and then 2 at the side. It's gonna be very ugly because of those are lines sitting together, or for the PPF they having the seams and dirt gonna sit there and then looks super ugly. In this video I will show you how to do it in one piece and make your job more clean and more nicer. But let's get into the video. Before I start, please subscribe the channel, turn on the notifications. Two reasons usually others do the 3-piece on the frame, because they try to save the film, or if you see here, the most of the frame from here to there is over 160, 167, something like those. For example, this car is a 167, and then the film for the older brand maximum come with the 152. So it's gonna be short. That's why we're having the very nice technique, so you can bring the film from that area to this way and then do it in one piece. You ready? Close the door. Take the magnet out. Tension on. First you need to do the left and right cross this line, so the film gonna sit and relax. And little bit just lay the film with your hand, that's all. If we're gonna do it okay. And then come here. Just remove the back paper from the rest, and hold this one. And the things you need to do, this area, just make it warm or just heat it, not too much, but just make it warm enough. Go. You can do it solo, and also if you're having the hand to help, it would be nice. Just look at my hand. I just hold the film, try to drive down, and move the film or vinyl from that area to here. I didn't do it from this area or this area, only from this location, because we having the extra here. And after that, just squeegee some edge with these. Okay. And then give me the heat gun. Just open the film again, put a heat on it, and then look at the film, just shrinking back and then very relaxed, sitting at the body. Now it's time to do the squeegee all down. That's finished. If you see, it's super easy. Just need to think more, and then don't worry about you're spending more film. The only things right now you need, just cut it here and then top it everything in. That's all. I will show you more close video. The film sits very relaxed without any stress or over stretch. Just put some edges in and finish. That's all. Let me bring the camera and show it more closely. Look at this area, the bottom part, all is fine. And this is the upper part. Look at the already wrapped the corner with the shrinking. Everything sits well. Yeah. The filling for the all this area in, I'm gonna do it the one side. First, put the knife a bit here between the glass and frame, coming down. Depends on the car, is different how you have to cut. This car, if we cutting only this much in, that would be enough. Okay. After that, just need something like those. With the one, just grab the rubber for the molding, and then with the other one, just push the film in. And then at the end, do something like this. Don't push it hard, just do it gently. Actually, I cut it very long. You can cut it more shorter, but that's what I say. Depends on the car you are working with. For example, the Porsche, this area is very small gap, so you don't need to cut it long. Then when you get here, just do this way and finish. Really bring the camera more close. Look at how it's clean and nice, and then all tuck it in. Look like better than factory paint. And for this area, you have to know where you need to cut. That's why if you're watching my previous video, I always say spend the time in 5 minutes, 10 minutes when your project coming in, and then checking all the gap when you need to cut. Okay, First we need to fix this corner. Okay. I already put the knifeless tape here, just I'm gonna release it. Always when you need to cut on the paint, use the knifeless tapes. Doesn't matter how professional you are. It's the hand sometimes gonna just shaking or just, I don't know. I don't believe those are people just showing with the cutting on the balloon and then they thinking, oh, they having the really professional cutting skill. But that's not right. Okay. And here is cut a little bit shorter. Again with those things, just really can see, grab the rubber like this and tuck the film in. Please come in. Look at that edge right now. It's super clean, all went in, and also the frame in one piece. And then the rest, you know how to cut it. I already showed the important part.